stop wrestling at the tie. Hey, use it. Our duck's there. There we go, P. You can't stop wrestling at the tie. Create opportunities. Pistol, create an opportunity. Try it. Get the hand off your head. Pistol, rip it. There you go. Hit back, head up, head up.
Head up.
That's three.
Head up.
This new ref is really starting to agitate the heck out of me.
Create an opportunity, Pistol.
Put your head up.
Hey, create opportunity, Chris.
Keep your feet, stay up your hips.
Let's go, Pistol. Baby.
Man number 2, 150 pounds. Soren Jacobson soft. Noah Harris soft. Wilson Belknap West Jet. Man number 2.
Scroll it. Let's go, Pistol. You got it.
Hey, same thing. Go on.
That's a side effect, yes. My back hurts. Let's go. Okay. Two more shots. Make it good.
Arm and there, Pistol.
You got it. Where's your stop?
Hey, it's there. Big football.
You got it.
Big football.
You did good, though? Yeah, you did good. On that top. Good. You're gonna sit.
Circle, circle.
Push it.
Ah, big football.
Good job, Pistol. Keep working it. Keep working your stuff.
Head up. One more, Pistol.
Let's go. One more. Let's go. Let's go.
Hold that up to your chin. No point. Come up.
Come on, Pistol.
That's fine. That's
You see
good.
that leg right there?
Hey, lift your head up. You got three.
Push it. Get your head up. Right there. Good. Good job, Pistol.
But that's what you need to know. Chris, you're
Good.
all the way, Pistol, all the way. Hey, re-sprawl. Pistol, heavy hips. Pistol, get his pressure under your hips, okay? Good. Hey, bump that up. Hey, turn it off now. Hey, head to the side. Hey, keep our head up, use our forehead. Be aggressive with it, Pistol.
Go, Pistol.
Head up, use our forehead. Really rip it and go. Finish, Pistol, up. Get your hip under you. Head up, Pistol. There you go, work the body.
Wilson Belknap West Jet. Man number 3.
Hey, use your forehead, keep working in. We can be on a tricep, we can be on an elbow, just not ear to ear. Short time, P. Hey, breathe, reset, one more.
Got it.
Mat number 1, 157 pounds.
Go, Pistol.
Isaac Zollinger, Sugar. Brazilian Nelson South, Case Fuller, Teton.
Hold that all the way. Hold it, finish that, Pistol. Head up, head
Head
up.
up, put your head up, put your head up.
Hold that tight, get our head up, work
Put
up.
your head up. Get
Now
your
you
head
gotta
up.
move, get your hips around.
Stand up, stand up.
Pistol,
Come
pull
on.
that down, circle.
Push it.
Head up.
Head up. Put your head up.
Hold. Tight. Pistol, move your hip. Pistol, move your hip. Hey, Pistol, hop up, get one, get one, get one, get one. Good rest, no circle, not back up, Pete. Circle, Pistol. There we go, get comfortable.
Girls mat number 1, Madison Barzee, West Cherry. Marissa Whitmore, South Fremont. Mat number 1.
Work behind that. Pistol, get extended, get extended, get extended. You gotta extend your hips away from him, push his head down. Crossface hard there, Pistol.
11, Mercury, West Cherry.
Harder, Pistol, harder.
Face hard, Pistol.
Pistol, cross.
Kathy Montalban, West Cherry. Hadley Overton, South Fremont.
5 seconds, try and get it here.
Mat number 1.
Hey, that's all we need. Stop. Hey, Pistol, we gotta get comfortable again. Our mat. Go, go. Head up, Pistol, head up. Down. Brandon, you're strong, right? Clear that.
No, you're good.
Come on, Pistol.
Pistol, head up. We're looking down. Roll.
There you go.
Use our
Take a
forehead.
shot.
Use our forehead. Brandon, get out of the leg. Roll that.
Crossface.
Roll that. Crossface. Pistol, crossface that.
Crossface.
Sam Davis from South Fremont.
Pressure.
Yasmin Robles, West Step, mat number 1.
Push the hip away. Pistol, long with your hips. Get our hip back up. Pistol, get long. You don't want to be in tight. Hands on his hip. Hey, good stance with motion. Good wrestling. Use our forehead. Okay, now work to get one of your wrists back. There you go. Use your forehead, Pistol. We got power in the forehead. Look where you're at. Crossface, grip an ankle. Grip an ankle.
Go, Pistol.
Hey, just go behind. You're right there. Right there. Pistol, just take that. Hey, that was your same thing. Get stand hands in front of you. 17 seconds, Pistol. Hands in front of you. Get stance, wrestle. Use your forehead. Circle.